Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to Make It Monday. This week is camping themed. It's springtime, it's a great time to go camping, but maybe it's raining and you can't go outside, or maybe there's an international travel ban on. And that's, maybe gonna prevent you from camping, but there's no reason you can't enjoy the outdoors in the comfort of your own home. Today, we are gonna make our very own little craft tents. For this craft, you're gonna need some cardboard, scissors, tape, various and sundry pieces of paper, sticks, and if you want to get really elaborate, markers. Obviously, crayons, colored pencils, and markers can all basically fill in for each other. So to start, we are going to need a platform to build our tent on. This cardboard is going to be the ground. As you can perhaps imagine by my unshaven appearance, I'm not the most meticulous about being exact with things. I'm going to cut off the edges here. I'm going to have a nice square base for my tent. Our tent's only going to take up a very small portion of this, but we're going to use the rest of that space for another craft later on this week. I've got a bunch of sticks from my yard. These are from the willow tree. I'm hoping that they are flexible yet strong enough to do the job. I am going to use a pencil to poke some holes in my cardboard. I'm doing these in a square because these are going to be my guides for my sticks. See that? Then I'm going to take my sticks and see if I can poke them in there. This is I'm going to call this playing it craft and loose. I'm going to make this up as we go. I'm going to tape these together at the top, and I'm also going to tape underneath to hold them in. Hey, that looks pretty good. It may be useful if you do have parts sticking out underneath to kind of break them and fold them.
Getting a lot of bark.
This is a good one to do in not over the carpet. Tape in the underside of my tent that's made of sticks. Well, if that isn't already a pretty fun craft, I don't know what is.
Do I need to cut mine off here?
I think it's kind of fun with a little extra fringe on the top there.
And do I need to do anything on the bottom?
I taped mine down, but yours look like they're positioned and they're fine.
Okay.
I don't know, if you want to tape them, I'm making this up as I go. Alright, next up we're going to need some paper to go around our tent. I am going to I'm going to use this little strip of yellow. I'm going to kind of measure how tall my tent is, and that's how wide I'm going to cut this paper top, because you want the paper to just kind of go around. I like how you're asking me as though I know what I'm doing. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to kind of just fold it underneath here, and I'm going to put another piece of tape in there. This is a tape-heavy craft. Keep folding that around, and fold that around the other side. I've got my walls, the sides of my tent around my tent frame, and now I'm going to cut off the excess down here. Alright, there you have it, your very own tent, your very own campground. You can play in here, take your action figures camping. Don't try and set a campfire on this. Hope you enjoyed this craft. Have a great day! How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Make It Monday. Our theme for this week's videos are... Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to Make It Monday. This week